Everyone wants to be rich, but most people unknowingly do things that keep them broke. If you truly want financial freedom, you need to avoid these 5 things at all costs. Let's dive in. 1. Living paycheck to paycheck. If your income comes in and disappears the same month, you're trapped in a cycle. The rich don't just earn, they invest. Start saving at least 20% of your income and put it into assets that grow over time. 2. Depending on one income source. If your only source of income is your job, you're one step away from financial disaster. The wealthy have multiple streams of income: investments, businesses, and side hustles. Start building yours today. 3. Overspending on liabilities. The rich invest in assets, while the poor waste money on liabilities. A fancy car might look good, but if it's not making you money, it's draining your wealth. Instead, focus on buying things that grow your income. 4. Wasting time on entertainment instead of learning. Millionaires don't waste hours scrolling on social media or watching TV. They invest their time in learning new skills, networking, and building businesses. Every hour you waste is money lost. 5. Avoiding risks and staying in comfort zones. The biggest enemy of wealth? Fear. If you never take risks, you'll never grow. Every millionaire has failed at some point, but they kept going. Take that leap, invest in yourself, and chase it. If you want to be rich, start by avoiding these 5 habits. Take control of your money, invest wisely, and never stop learning. Your future self will thank you. Like this video, subscribe for more financial wisdom.